Just like so many other people that I know, fall is definitely hands down my favorite time of year. Hands down. And so today's video is a bunch of fall DIYs, using Dollar Tree products, and I had so much fun. It was literally incredible to kind of just get back into the swing of things. So on that note, let's do this. Oh, she's back, and she's feeling better than ever. Oh my God, do you even know how exciting it is to be back doing what I love, which is DIYs and being crafty? And so today's video is sponsored by Desert Rose Gold. All right, just kidding. I wish. But no, this is my accent color for fall because I'm not really into orange, and that's okay. And so I also want to make a pumpkin using these mason jar lids. I also am using satin ivory because I'm not into white. And so using all these little Dollar Tree products and these mason jars, I was ready to take them outside and spray paint them. Now, I'm not saying white is bad, but I think for fall, off-white is definitely the way to go, but that's just my opinion. And so I painted those in that Desert Rose Gold too and let them dry. And then I was like, oh snap, I gotta paint this little owl dude. I also wanted to paint one of these Dollar Tree glasses because I have these absolutely gorgeous foxtails from the Dollar Tree. I was shocked when I saw these. Once these were dry, I just flipped them over and gave them another coat. Then I was ready to spray paint my glass, and what helped me was to go really slow and just take my time, because if you spray too much paint on it, it's going to get all globby and nasty and just kind of drip down. You know what I mean? Ugh, I don't want that going on. Also, how cute are these pumpkins? You can find them in the wooden section at your Dollar Tree. Then I was ready to finish up my pumpkins, and I literally just hot glued them together. Super easy, super fun, and I can't get enough. I think this is so cute. To finish it off, I took some dead sticks from outdoors and I hot glued them on top for the little handle. Isn't that sharp? I kind of can't even deal. I love it. To finish up my mason jar fireplace decor, I just took 3 of these little flowers from the Dollar Tree in the fall section, and then I took my fingernail and scratched them up to give it a little farmhouse look. I don't recommend using your fingernail, but I was being lazy. And then I took a little twine and I wrapped a little bow around all 3, and these were done. Burgundy is my all-time favorite color, so much so it was even our wedding colors. Yeah, 15 years ago now. We're getting old. But anyways, moving on. So these little leaf lights, I love them. Want to know why? Not only can you take them off, but the strands are white. Usually the Dollar Tree, luminary lights have like black strands, which isn't bad, but they don't look as classy as the clear ones. So I was really excited to find them. And then I was standing here like, something's missing. What is it? All right, let's figure this out. Perfect. So at your local Dollar Tree, if you go in the birthday section by, the wrapping paper and all that, you can find burlap ribbon, and it comes with 6. So I decided to use my brand new Cricut Maker, and I made, the word gather. By the way, did I forget to mention how good it feels to be back to just feeling normal and sharing my love for decor and DIYs and all things crafty? Well, let me say it again because it's so good to be back to feeling normal. So basically, to finish this up, I just used some twine from the Dollar Tree, hot glued it all together, and put it on my fireplace. So before moving on to my favorite DIY of this entire video, I kind of have to just admire that this whole fireplace makeover only costed me $6, and that's pretty incredible. Alright, so this is my favorite DIY of the video. I took 3 Dollar Tree books and I just took the front plastic covers off and I spray painted them. I think it actually looks incredible and super high end, so I was pretty happy to share this today. And so I was like, you know what, I'm going to use my stamps and I'm going to put a bunch of fall sayings on it. So I decided to use the black for the tan color, and then I used the white for that rose gold. Once I was done with all my stamps, I just stacked them up and this was done. But then I decided that my owl was a little bit too plain. So being silly again, I took my fingernail and I scratched it up just to kind of give that owl a little farmhouse look. And I put everything on my side table, and now I absolutely love this little nook. I come over here and I read sometimes, and I just love it. This next DIY idea I'd like to share is, we've all seen these Jenga blocks from the Dollar Tree. So I decided to use this brown stain, and I don't know what I was thinking. You couldn't even see what I was doing in the window. So I moved over to my craft table where I have the lights and everything, the professional lights. And so basically just painting it with my brown stain, and then I took baby wipes just to kind of bring out some of the wood grain, and then I let them dry. Once they dried completely, it only took about 2 hours, and I just hot glued them together. Then I had my 2 little frames, and I knew I wanted to turn it into a fall saying. And so I took 1 Dollar Tree placemat, turned it over, trimmed it out, and hot glued it onto the back. What I love about this DIY is you could make your frame big or small, whatever size you want. And so we've all seen these rub-on transfers from the Dollar Tree. I think they're incredible, and so I had bought a million of them, and so I decided to just use Thankful Spirit and then Hello Fall. These Dollar Tree rub-on transfers actually work, and they're really easy to do. As you can see, I mean, they just literally, they're incredible. And so to finish this one up, I just took a little leaf from the Dollar Tree, section, the fall section, and hot glued it on, and these were done. These are absolutely darling, absolutely adorable, and I mean, they costed me hardly anything, maybe 50 cents. I mean, I don't even know. They hardly cost anything, and they're just like the perfect little pieces for my bay window. Well, finally, I just want to say thank you so much for stopping by today. It means a lot to me, and thanks for watching my video. If you enjoyed it, then make sure you smash that like button. Make sure you subscribe and stick around, because I definitely actually have a lot more videos coming. I had a little break because I'm 4 months pregnant now. By the time you're seeing this video, I will be 4 months pregnant, and so I just had a really rough time. I had HG, which is hyperemesis gravidarium, whatever. I can't even pronounce it, but it was extreme morning sickness where I was throwing up 10 times a day. I lost 15 pounds. It was insane. So I'm better now, and I'm back to just, doing what I love best and doing things for my soul, which is DIYs and having fun. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one.